If a mortgage computer just told you that you don't qualify for a home, you need to realize that the algorithm is not the final authority on your financial future. The 2026 market, many veterans are being auto-declined because of a single late payment or a debt ratio that is just 1% too high for the software. You can bypass the computer entirely by requesting a manual underwrite, where a real human being reviews your actual life story instead of just your data points. A human underwriter has the power to look at compensating factors like your history of on-time rent payments or the fact that you have significant cash savings in the bank. They can see that your income is stable and that your military service demonstrates a level of responsibility that a piece of software simply cannot understand. To win a manual underwrite, you must provide a clean letter of explanation and document every positive financial move you have made over the last 24 months. While it takes a few extra days of paperwork, this manual miracle is the reason thousands of veterans are closing on homes while others are still stuck in the rental cycle. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our letter of explanation, template, and subscribe to learn how to make the mortgage system work for you, not against you.